crying.
Oh gosh. Oh, what happened? Okay. Okay, this is the new car reveal. The Mitsubishi L200 that we just bought onto the channel. Yeah. How did we end up buying this in the first place? 2.5 turbo diesel 2004 model. It's not your average Mitsubishi, so it's your Mitsubishi L200 on steroids. It's like a baby monster truck. The thing is, it was advertised on auction on one of the Savage sites. When I first seen it, I just fell in love with it. I thought, you know what, I'm not going to get the opportunity again like this. Make the bid, and we won it. You can see the turbo in this car, the belts. It's so tall, and even like walk underneath the car. There's the diff. I don't know what this thing is, but this is clearly part of the tilt of the tipper. It's pretty sick. I'm actually literally hanging. And I've walked out the other side. It's got a crazy tipper on the truck as well. Look how big it is. It's at 6x6. Tailgate on the back as well. Got a drift car, a modified car. We can take it to a track. We can use a trailer. Baby monster truck. It's not a clean car. There are some damages. We actually had to stick this onto the grille. It's actually got a smashed up bonnet. This wasn't even on properly. It was just literally hanging. This was also inside the engine bay, so it hit right here. This took the collision as well, but it doesn't look that bad, to be honest, because of how strong it is. It actually wasn't a driving car. The rear prop shaft underneath the car right here, bit right here, was actually bent and it was spinning like a banana. The clutch was also gone on the car. The front right caliper was seized. Alright, finish up the strap and the wheels and then we're good to go then. So we did take it to a garage called Central Axle in Spark Hill in Birmingham, and they actually specialise in these sorts of cars, like work on like German tanks, military trucks, Land Rovers, Jeeps, also all big boy 4x4 cars basically. The gearbox and transmissions.
That's the one. Okay, so
wow, oh my god.
Okay.
No, this
Okay, so look how thick that is.
Wow. Wow. That is crazy.
So hang on, look here. You've got no lining left.
Jeez.
The reason that it wouldn't turn was the front right wheel was locked. That which is your caliper. See solid?
Yeah.
And you've seen the prop shaft.
I mean, this is it. Wow.
Dude,
Yeah?
it's supposed to be straight. Look, it's actually...
What do you think how that happened?
I know what's happened here. They've gone over something,
Yeah.
dropped
Yeah.
over a big wall or something to
Yeah.
bend, you know, and that's where it's hit
Wow.
and bent that up.
A brand new caliper that we bought, £112. Look how big it is. There's the rear prop shaft. Just about got it in the car. Drop it off at the garage. Let's just hope that they fix it and have some fun. On the auction site, they labelled this car as a category S. There was a gearbox problem, a mystery damage. But on the advert, it mentioned it had a 11k tipper. Whether that's worth 11k, I'm not too sure, but it looks brand new. Has it even been used? We just knocked off the water tank. First scratches is pretty new. Underneath as well, you can see the amount of work. And that's the whole reason why we bought it. Rear seats were missing as well. This front window is smashed up. You can see the mud from how the water splashed in. You can actually look inside. It's a 5-speed and it's got two selections, two-wheel drive for the rear and 4-wheel drive high and low settings. You guys can enlighten me, because now we're part of the truck life. You're probably thinking, why is the windscreen smashed? Now we personally did that. It's my fault really. Same mistake I made. We once the clutch was fixed, we decided to drive the car back to the HQ, and whilst we were driving, the bonnet just flicked up and just smashed onto the windscreen whilst I was driving. And yeah, it's not a good one. New bonnet, new reinforcement bar. We're going to get the rear seats in, we're going to get the driver's side window, and probably do with the service. The truck is driving, you know, it works pretty well. The 4-wheel drive, level drive, it works, and the tilt also works as well. There you go. Yeah, man.
You don't need to fall. Oh, Siki, you've got a monster truck. It looks like a monster truck.
I just can't believe how high this truck is. It doesn't matter how high it is, as long as the tyres are inside the frame of the truck, it's road legal. Although I would love to get big fat monster wheels on this. It's got a new battery. I reckon this is a new intercooler. The pipe works are all new as well. This is the filter. It's a bit shaky right now, but it looks like it's been changed. It just looks like it's been somewhat kind of maintained. I can see the brake fluid's pretty low right here. The best thing about it, it's got just over 100k on the mileage. It starts up first time. Look at that. And it's pretty sick, this is. That turbo whistle, the exact same key off an Evo. And timber. I honestly don't know what colour to make this, even the rims. You guys can drop a comment down below what mods to do. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited. Thank you very much for watching. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.